this video, we're going to talk about what LCM is. And on this problem, we are going to determine anong LCM ng 12 at saka ng 6. So first of all, we are going to define what LCM is all about. What LCM is. LCM is an acronym for the least common multiple. So when we are going to talk about the least common multiple, so ito yung pinakamababang makaparehas na multiple ng numbers natin na 12 at saka 6. So tinagalog ko lang. So ano nga ba yung multiple? So for example, what is the multiple of 2? The multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. So you get the idea, no? To have its multiple is to multiply it by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. So ito, 2 times 1, it's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So ganito yung gagawin natin ngayon sa given natin. So what is the multiple of 12? And first one is 12, no? Multiple pa rin ng 12 yung sarili niyang number. Then we have 24, then we have 36, then we have 48, then we have 60, and so on. 6 naman, yung multiple ng 6 is of course yung sarili din niya. 6, 12 kasama yun, 18, 24, 30, and so on. So dito, in order for us to determine yung LCM is to determine kung ano yung pinakamaliit na magkakatulad nila ng multiple. And as you can see here, hindi pwede maging si 6 kasi walang 6 dito sa 12 na multiple. And si 12, and then dito si 12. So ito na yung pinakamaliit na magkakapareha sila. And since wala namang si 24 pala dito, which is greater than 12 na multiple. So obviously, yung answer dito ngayon sa problem na to, which I have posted kanina, is actually 12. So here is another example, which is we're now going to look for the LCM of 5 and 6. So mabilisan lang. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Si 6 naman is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. So dito, we are now going to look for the LCM ng 5 at saka si 6. So dito, wala tayo makita magkakaparehas. But, look at this one. Yun. Yung multiple ng 5 at saka ng 6 is magkakaparehas sila when it goes sa 30 na number. So, this is 5 times 6 and this is 6 times 5. So, we will have an answer of 30.
Hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks as always for watching our video. There will always be next lessons to come in the next one. God bless you.